Good. These two young lady and the young executive were talking about my achievements. I don't know how much I will be able to fulfill them here, but nevertheless it looks good. When somebody talks that I have done so much things, my office may not think like that. So the first thing is that you might think you have so much achievements, but your boss, right? So lesson number one, your boss expects and you have to deliver. So as you have all known that what little things I have tried to go through in my life, I'll just share a few of the things with you. And as Mahendra Singh sir, your DG has told that you must ask a lot of questions. In fact, I had a different format. I didn't know that I will meet maybe about 200 people or 150 people. So I thought of taking some questions myself to you, but now I have changed the format. Now I would like to have questions from you, and then probably we'll take off. I have, purposely not followed the slogan given by the institute, that expectations from you. You all know what you are, expecting them to expect from you, because you have so much knowledge. Your parents, your mother, your father, your uncle, everybody in life must be telling you so many things. अरे बेटे ऐसे करो तो ऐसे होगा, ऐसे नहीं करोगे तो ऐसे नहीं होगा. Why you are doing this? How you are doing this? What you should do? Everyone will give you a prescription. So by now you must be confused also. At the same time, all these Philip Kotler and Koons O'Donnell and so many Frank and all those people also must be troubling you a lot. So don't be disgusted with that, because that is the knowledge available in the entire universe. But you have to sift what you want. So I'm not talking on the topic, but I have made it executives and the role and the innovations, because innovation is today's buzzword. Not only buzzword, it's truth. Every day something new is coming, including hum or aap. Politics is changing, so you are a part of the environment, so you are seeing different innovations even in the politics. And how many of you know that the politics defines mine and your lives? How many will agree? The politics defines mine and your lives. कितने लोग सोचते हैं कुछ इफेक्ट है पॉलिटिक्स का आपके ऊपर? क्या बात है, सीधे एकदम ही डाउन हो गए, क्या बात, बैटरी चार्ज नहीं है? ओके, क्लैप फुली क्लैप करिए जोर से. सम पीपल आर स्टिल नॉट डूइंग इट. Why the claps are done? To cheer you up or to cheer somebody up. But then this was only to cheer you up. My time of cheering has gone. Okay, so I'll just go to first slide of mine. We'll just try to find out, and in the meantime, whenever you feel like, you can ask questions. I mean, you need not reserve your questions at a particular time, because about 1 hour we will have interaction, because I don't want to bore you people, though we can go on for maybe 2 sessions or 3 sessions, because the management is so vast a subject. Everything is management. Yeah. No, but हाँ ले लीजिए. So management is such a vast subject, no one will be able to fathom the depth or the width or the length of this in the entire career or life, because our life is shorter, but the entire knowledge base is very wide. असीम जिसे कहते हैं, असीम भगवान ही नहीं है सिर्फ, असीम ये नॉलेज भी है. तो इसीलिए हम लोग थोड़ा सा प्री हिस्टोरिक टाइम पे जाएंगे. किसी को बताना है कि प्री हिस्टोरिक में मैनेजमेंट था या नहीं था? इंटरैक्टिव, वी विल बी इंटरैक्टिव. Don't think that I'm going to just talk only. Of course, I will talk whatever I have to. कितने लोग मानते हैं कि प्री हिस्टोरिक में भी मैनेजमेंट था? बताइए क्या था? keep on saying 1 2 3 फटाफट बोलते रहिए. ऐसे ही बोलते हैं आप, मुझे सुनाई पड़ जाएगा, मैं उधर ही आ जाता हूँ.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Like in prehistoric times, if we talk about early man, they used to coordinate among themselves to conduct a hunt. And if we go further, like if we say the age of Mahabharata, etc., even then they had to administer various battles.
Fantastic. Anybody else would like to join the issue? कोई कहेगा नहीं था मैनेजमेंट, ये तो बोला हाँ. कोई इधर से ना भी बोलना चाहिए. There was nothing to be managed, so you could say that. What was there? Laissez-faire. Anything happens, anything is hunted, anything is killed, anything is told not to be in that clan or whatever it is. But that itself was a management.
Management was the basic mother of all the evolution.
Exactly. But what I'm saying now, the first thing I'm saying, whether there is a management in every time. I was only trying to touch that topic. Management is all pervasive. In your kitchen, the mother is a big manager. From the kitchen, she manages the father, you, your sister. Somebody has gone to abroad, she keeps a tab. So from that small portion of her house, she is a big manager actually. You are also a manager. You agree or no?
Yes.
कैसे?
Yes, we manage our time for our institute coaching.
Are you really managing your time? Because you have come very advanced now.
Yes.
कभी कभी नहीं मैनेज करते हैं.
Sometimes when we become lazy, then we
But can we be always active? Can a human being? No. So it's normal. So don't worry about it. So if you're wasting a lot of time around the trees, no problem. Do it. That's also part of growing up. पीछे से आवाज आनी चाहिए, नहीं तो मुझे लगेगा कि आप लोगों को मैं पहुंच नहीं रहा हूं. So prehistoric, we have found that we had the management at that time also, but it was a different type. It was savage management. It was not a management of structured, but within their savage management, they had a very rigid formulas or the rules to be followed, so that the clan remains one. So the team is not born today. You must be thinking, a lot of people coming here to tell you or the books, the team management is very important. But किसने उनको पढ़ाया था टीम मैनेजमेंट? प्री हिस्टोरिक आदमी को किसने मैनेजमेंट पढ़ाया था? नहीं, हमारे सब ये ब्रेन में है. उसको हम निकाल के नई चीजों में लिखते रहते हैं, नई किताबों में लिखते रहते हैं, कागज काले होते रहते हैं. But ultimately things remains there, that there is always a management. Okay. Early industrialization, we come, because the time will be short, so I'll touch and then you can raise some questions and we can go on. And next time when I come, we will take the further things. What happened in early industrialization? What was the period? Okay, that's a little very jargon. Renaissance. Many people will not know. What is Renaissance period? No? I'm just saying it's normal. I also don't know. So better to ask you.
At the time of industrial revolution.
Yes. No, what I'm saying, Renaissance was when this thing was going on, and then they were trying to lift themselves up and become again civilized. So it started in French and all that, and so many things happened. So industrialization jab hua, you can say the period between say 25, 20, 30, 40. So those are the industrialization period. So what happened? What were the scientists that came that time? किसी का भी नाम ले लो, अल्वा एडिसन, फलाना, मार्कोनी, सब, they were trying to make few things new.
They were trying to make some inventions to reduce human efforts.
Exactly. So तब मैनेजमेंट क्या था? बेसिकली हमको मैनेजमेंट में रहना है. तब क्या मैनेजमेंट था?
The major challenge was to fight the ethnic views of the church, because Galileo was also
You can come this side, because this people are नेगेटिव. कैथोड एनोड होता है ना, तो इधर नेगेटिव साइड है, मतलब कि चार्ज उधर से इधर आ रहा है. सो दे वर ट्राइंग टू रिड्यूस द ह्यूमन एफर्ट. बट व्हाट वाज द मेन मोटिव ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट? पीछे से बोलिए लास्ट लाइन. I think they are teachers. Huh? They look very happily sitting. हमें नहीं कुछ बोलना है. आप बोलिए. मफलर. स्कार्फ यानी कि सॉरी है. क्या वहां पे आवाज नहीं जा रही है? Let's go there. I was telling that you also have to take part, okay? Otherwise you can come in front. Okay, somebody should say what I was asking. कि इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन में कैसा मैनेजमेंट था? Yeah, what was the management?
Management of the laborers.
Main aim of the management क्या था उसका?
But you can start up anywhere, any factory you would like. If you have a space, you can utilize it.
That's not the main aim. What was the main aim of those people who were owning the factories, trying to produce? What was the aim?
More production.
More production. Ultimately,
More profit.
so it remained from that time till today. The management aim never changed. What a human being wanted? To get more and more wealth. At the time money. Now it is wealth. उसके बाद में क्या हुआ? World wars. Was management required that time also?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
क्या हुआ? What was being managed that time? Strategic plans for what? You just keep on to win the battles. Yes, right. Because that's a immediate strategic aim was to win the war. Right or wrong, we are not discussing. So it was managed in such a way. We must have the arms, ammunition, people. They should reach at the particular time at that in that country.
And to choose your friends and foes, with which country you have to tie friendly relationships and to whom you have to battle out.
For the time being, we are removing all other things, friends, foes, no, war. So war to be won, that was the aim. And that war to be won, again there was a super aim.
The development of the defense
It can't be. That was only a means.
becomes superpower to conquer the world.
Superpower, to become superpower so that I have more control over others. Again, what is the further aim of that? Why superpower? Control for what? Nobody wants economy. Control that my country or me should direct everyone and I should have a lot of money. So there also, why you wanted to be super power is you wanted to have the more wealth for your country and ultimately for yourself. So Indian independence, that itself is a big chapter. So what was the aim? क्यों? तो क्या मैनेजमेंट था? हाँ हाँ, क्या मैनेजमेंट क्या था? स्ट्रेटजी क्या थी? Unity, to unite India on you know that independence is the only aim. So we managed that. What was mostly important that time? The communication. So by when we are discussing all these things, lot of management's small parts are falling into place. But constantly the aim remains only creation of more profit for me or for the country or for 70s and 80s में क्या हुआ? Further development. All those small inventions, they were getting refined. New knowledge, new scientific developments. Einstein. Further they are developing those things. That time the management was to become better than the early industrialization. Early industrialization was only to produce the minimum requirements of the human beings. But now what we started doing, 1980, 1970, 80s, 90s में क्या करने लगे हम? क्या innovation?
The development was computer technology that came into being Microsoft.
Exactly, that will come in the revolutions. Of course we can combine also.
That period saw the rise of Bill Gates.
We started going out of our space, out of Earth. We started exploring moon.
That happened in the 60s.
That's what I'm saying. So 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s now, because those are the developing phases. 60s only a small things, but 70s, 80s you have really gone, and now you can go to Mars. You can go to space. You are aware, no? Okay, who is the airline? And Xcore. So how much money you have to pay?
$1 crore.
Anybody else?
$1 million.
Anybody wants to better his guess? 2.50 lakh dollars, and it is one-way traffic. So they are not they are not guaranteeing that you will come back. So how many are wanting to go there? How many want to go one-way traffic? कोई नहीं जाना चाहता. Because you still have to manage lot of things. Okay. For me, I am the right candidate. Okay, then modern executive. We come to you now. So let us say that you have finished your BBA. What is your immediate aim? Just I want two, one from this side, one from that side. Two responses.
A good and reputed job.
Good and reputed job. Okay, this side.
To gain corporate exposure. To gain corporate exposure.
To gain corporate exposure. Just keep these two things in your mind. After we finish the class, would you like to revise this aim? Both of you, okay? So just, can you hear me? Please take part sometime, okay? वैसे ही हल्ला कर देना. That is enough. That means we are a part of it. Okay, then for all this, जितना भी हमने अभी बात किया आपसे, उसके बेस में क्या है? What is at the base of everything that we talked about? Whether we talked about independence, we talked about the industrialization, we talked about the prehistoric organization. Organization is what? In legal terms? What is an organization?
There are places where people working in groups or individuals come together to work.
You have legal systems also, no? In the legal business systems also you have. So I want a legal definition.
Sir, a place where people.
That's the physical definition you are giving. What's the legal business, legal entity or whatever? It's a legal person. It's a legal person. It is not having any life, but we put the life into that. So what you are saying is okay, but then it is little more than that. And organization has second one, the executive, and then you have
Support resources.
what are the support resources?
The employees.
Machines, factories, workers. So when we put executive, because you are the executive, so you will have something to manage. The resources are to be managed by you. And then ultimately what happens? So we talked about the environment, no? That the political system, the competition, the management being done by other people, and your own innovations. So what happens? All of you, say 200 people, will start themselves also innovating. So even your innovations go a long way in creating the management structure of your company, as well as affecting those which are other outside you. So you are very important. So the idea is that an executive is very, very important, not only for himself, his family, also, and the organization, even for the organization that he is interacting with or doing business with, and you have the power to do what? Yes, good, fantastic. I think he is the most brilliant person. Please stand. Stand and show your face. Why you are saying no? Please clap for him. Never be in doubt. I am going to teach you a lot of these things only, because you know everything. Knowledge is with everyone. Nobody is unpada hai nahi aajkal koi. But you have to say, if you have something, show it. If you don't show it, you do not sell. Even in your daily life, no girl will like you if you don't show. And that's also a part of growing up, because that's ultimately a human being requires all those. Please. Competition. So what do we do for competition? कंपटीशन के लिए क्या करेंगे? कंपटीशन को मतलब मीट करने के लिए जस्ट यू कैन गो एंड गिव इट लास्ट में खड़े हो जाइए आप.
SWOT analysis.
यस.
Comparison of performance.
ओके. यस. SWOT.
Sharpening our skills.
Study the
Yeah.
competitor strategies.
गुड. अभी आवाज अच्छी आई. या स्टडी द कंपटीशन.
Competitor strategies.
Okay, but you will not make your own strategies.
So we try to showcase the best in us.
Yes, you will make your own strategy first.
Demand
First yours. Remember, you can to formulate your strategies and to better them, you will study the others. Basically, with whatever ammunition you have in your brain, the teaching, the learning, the education, first you will find out that what I can do in this organization, in that section, or in that unit that you are put in charge, or even you may be just an executive working just to give some thoughts to the people above you. So first you will have your own strategies. You will not straight away go to the competitor strategy and start developing it, because unless you have a philosophy of yours, how can you take from others? I have no philosophy and I come and start teaching. So I have a strategy, I have a philosophy. Like I told you, I will start questioning, then I will take up few things, but then I have to change my strategy. So that is because when I saw the competition is you whom I have to present myself. So when I found that it is impossible to talk to so many people, which normally will happen in any competition, can you go and study everybody's strategy and then make your strategy? होगा कभी ऐसा? जब आप जाएंगे वहां पूछने कि आप क्या स्ट्रेटजी कर रहे हैं, कोई बताएगा आपको? बोलेगा वे आर फ्रॉम, हु आर यू? पहले सिक्योरिटी से क्लियरेंस लेके आए कि नहीं? Who sent you? You are a spy, because you might be working in a defense organization, which is very secret. You may be working in a political party who will not allow you to know something plan which they are. So you have to have your own strategy first on all the parameters that you have learned in the management. Then present a small cogent brief as to generally I know this because my boss knows better. So you present first draft. Then he tells you, no, we don't want production of so many items that you have projected. Our capacity is limited. So let's have an optimum. And then we should do this selling not in these areas. We should market in different territories. We should not go to the abroad immediately. We'll consolidate our market first. Am I right or not? So then by the time when you are dealing with so many things, the supply chain will come in between. So you will be interacting with so many agencies that you are dealing. Today you are not complete. Can anyone say that he can do business alone? Or with two people, like one here and one there? No. So many things are there. So then you will start coming to know what those people are doing. You will read their reports, you will read their financial statements, their annual reports, what they have been doing, how the trend of their income is there. If we are in the same competition zone, whether our financials are also meeting there or not. What is the trend that they are following in marketing strategies? How many distribution channels they have? How many factories they have vis-a-vis how many we have? What are the areas they are looking into it? Why the people are buying in that area from only that company? So all that you will consider, and then you will modify your, it's a continuous process. So improving the innovating the management and the strategies is continuous process. How much time we have? Enough? Timekeeper, your time. Okay, now we'll go to the accountability. What do you understand by accountability? Last line.
To whom you are answerable to?
Okay. Are you not answerable to yourself?
So we are.
Okay, so to you and to
then
the
to others.
person that whom you are reporting basically.
Yeah.
So it's a two-way. Management is never a one-way, which I try to just point out that it's never a one-way thing. For everything you do, there is another outcome, and that outcome will again reflect on what you are doing. And then there is a third outcome. So accountability में क्या क्या चीजें आती हैं? Start from the basics of Maslow. बोलिए बोलिए अब. Now I'm opening it for questions. Psychological नहीं, वो I want to convert, वो किताब का मत बताइए. What do you think in general terms? कि accountability में सबसे पहले क्या चीज आती है? I know basic necessity in the organization क्या होगी? आपके प्रति taking responsibility. Once you join as the executive, you must know what is your area of responsibility. आपने join किया, आपको एक desk मिल गया, एक telephone मिल गया, एक orderly boy मिल गया. So then what?
Performing your duty.
So what you ask the boss? उसने कुछ नहीं कहा, आप जाके बैठ गए. What is the first thing to ask? What am I supposed to do? Normally he will have for you. When I'm going in a different way, but when they are hiring you, in the advertisement itself they will say you will be required to do this. But there's a general description. So that is a job description generally for recruitment. But once you are there, that is not good enough. Then he will have it for you, he or she,